Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on how you can use the discuss module in Odoo and how the whole process works. So it's pretty straightforward on how it works, because here on the top left you're going to have discuss, which is like the main thing. Then you're going to find the channels. So the channels is where people like can talk, and I can write here this is going to be let's say nothing important, and I can click here, I can like join it, I can view it, and this is like the group. Or I can click here a new one, and this is going to be, let's say, support, right? And what you can do is that you can have like authorized groups here, then also auto subscribe groups, and also you can have like members here. So you can add like a guest here or like the partner, and this is something that you can add. Now, primarily here for the discuss, what we can actually find here. So these are kind of like the favorites. And then we're going to have the channels where people can talk. Now I can click here, I can leave a channel, I can start the call, I can start the video call, I can invite people in, I can hide until new messages. So that's something that you can do. And then also you can have like the administrators, and I can like remove it from favorites. Let's say I want to have nothing important to favorites, and then you're gonna have the direct messages with people, right? And when I'm going to be nothing important, hey there, what I can do also is that you can also like delete message, and you can like remove the message, and then you can like add emojis here. So that's like pretty straightforward. You can add reactions. You can also star the message. So that's something that you can do. And of course you can like view the reactions, like who reacted and how. You can have mark it as unread. Like you can create a thread, you can like copy the text, you can copy the link. So that's something that you can actually do. And you can also like remove owner, you can remove member, or you can like set someone as admin on the right side, that if you are actually like someone who created the group. And for the channels right here, you can see that we have right now the channels, and you can have like advanced settings here, as I mentioned, like adding a partner, adding a guest. And then you're gonna have some configuration settings here. So where you're gonna have the like some settings here regards the contacts, the permissions. And then you can have for the notifications. So you can set up notification. These settings will be applied to all channels. If you want to have like all messages or like mentions only, like nothing. And then you're gonna have the voice and video, where you can also change the audio, video, the camera here. And then you're gonna have the categories. So group related channels together. So I can create a category, and let's say this is going to be, let's say, a work, right? And I can add the channels. Let's say it's going to be the administrators and support. And then you're going to have canned responses. So this is something you can also do. A shortcut, hello, may I help you? And you can have like canned responses right here. And then you're going to have roles. And I can create a new role here. And it's like a moderator, right? Or like you could create roles. And now, as you can see, we have the channels here. We have the work. So we created for ourselves the category, and we have right now the administrators and support for the work. And that's how pretty much it works. So it's nothing really like difficult on how you can use it and what you can do with it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.